Hi guys, quick cooking tutorial how to make magic eye. It is a very popular drink in Czech Republic and Slovakia. You need a big glass full of beer, for example Pilsen beer, the best one in Czechia. Then you use a small glass full of Zelena liquid, the green liquid, and then you mix them together. Hi guys, now you need to use a big glass, fill it with Pilsen beer, then use a small glass like the green one, for example fill it with Zelena, then after the big glass is full, take the small big glass full, make it fall into the big glass and then give it to the person. Like this, a small glass inside bigger glass and drink them together to make the two flavors will mix into each other.